Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on Blend Bake Blush. In today's video we will be learning how to contour our face. So there are lots of ways to contour your face, but we will be learning the easiest and the most basic method. So just let's get started. It's really important to hydrate your face. So I will be using a clear face spa, and you can use a toner as well. So let's just clean our face first. So once you've cleansed your face, I will be using some rose hydrating essential oil. Massage your face properly. I'm using an antioxidant hydrating gel from Ica. I really love this product. It's really nice. You guys should try this out. Use the product generously all across your face. It's really good for your skin. So once your skin is well hydrated, we will be concealing it. I prefer using concealer before. You can use it afterwards as well. I use a very tiny amount of concealer just under my eyes and then blend it. I'm going to use a beauty blender. After concealing, I am going to use my foundation from Sephora. So this is Clear Light 22 for light skin. Take a little product and start blending. Please don't forget your neck. Blend the product really well because we don't want patches on our face. So keep blending until the product is completely absorbed by your skin. So for contouring, I'll be using this beauty stick. So for contouring, I prefer making a 3 on my face. So starting from the top. Same on the other side. Now we'll start blending it again. Now I will be using Sephora's setting powder. Now this is a translucent setting powder. You have different colors as well. And I'll be applying it here. And we use this for baking up product. We want to seal out all the product we've used. Now we'll let the setting powder be on for about 10 minutes. Until then we can apply some mascara. blush. Highlighter. Let's highlight those cheekbones. Now you can apply the choice of your lipstick. I will be applying matte as I am from Colorbar. This is my favorite lipstick. You must have seen me apply this lipstick in all my videos. So you can see that with contouring we've highlighted our cheekbones and we've highlighted our jawbones, and this is the easiest, this is the most basic way of contouring your face. And stay safe, stay healthy, and hoping to meet you again soon. If you've liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. Comment your suggestions, like and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye.